Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make egg podimas. Let's start the recipe. The ingredients are 3 boiled eggs, 2 chopped onions, curry leaves, chopped green chilli, cumin seed, pepper powder, mustard seed, turmeric, salt and oil. Now I am heating the pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once heat the oil, add some mustard seeds and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Add 2 chopped onions. Stir it well. Add some salt. Mix it well. Stir it well until the color changes into golden brown. Add green chilli and curry leaves. Now the onion color is changed. Add boiled eggs. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now the egg podimas is ready. It is a best side dish for all main dishes. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.